Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to transfer funds from Schwab to Interactive Brokers step by step. First, log into your Interactive Brokers account through the client portal. You'll need to clear two-factor authentication. Once you're in, look at the top menu bar and hover your cursor over Transfer and Pay. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Transfer Positions. On the next page, you'll see an option that says Incoming. Click that to start bringing assets into your Interactive Brokers account. Now, you'll need to select the region and transfer method. From the region dropdown, choose United States. Then, in the method list, select ACATS. That's the standard way to transfer positions between brokers. Next, you'll fill in the broker information section. Enter Charles Schwab in the broker name field. You can use the drop-down menu to find it if needed. Below that, enter your Schwab account number. You can find this on any of your Schwab account statements. Double-check it before moving on. Any mistakes here will delay the transfer. Now, choose your transfer type. For this walkthrough, we'll do a partial transfer, which lets you select specific assets to move. You can also do a full transfer to move everything, but partial is generally safer and avoids potential account closure fees from Schwab. Click Add Asset and choose the positions you want to move. You'll search by stock symbol or CUSIP number and add each one individually. Once your assets are selected, review the transfer details on the next screen. You'll see a summary of what's being moved. Note that Schwab will charge $25 for a partial transfer. Interactive Brokers doesn't charge anything on their end. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a signature field. Type your name in there, then click Continue. The system will generate a transfer form. Click Save and Finish. You can download that form from the confirmation window and send it to Schwab as well if you want to ensure both sides are aware of the transfer. The transfer typically takes 5 to 7 business days to complete. Keep in mind that cost basis information for tax reporting can take up to 15 business days to show up in your Interactive Brokers account. Also, Interactive Brokers applies a 30-day hold on transferred assets before you can move them out again. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.